Wananchi korwase wodi ya Masimba imeye bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba nigo babere bagwesokia na kuboria omu MCA obo umuske Boss Mairura anyareko bagakwiranirwa ebunge limuryoka neye magega yere kurusugwa ase bunge ase gika kimetienyi 10 ase babere bagote babuna nigere maminchana lichiko no kurusugwa ko nigo kwabete kogoswananwa hamona siasa eyere nyingi gukwana litikolia rero nigo babere bagote babuna nigere umuske Boss Mairura anyareko bagakwiranirwa ebunge elio anyareko bagagukwanira abananchi korwa asensemeyo.
We, the residents of Nyaribari Masaba, together with the concerned members of Masimba ward, wish to formally address the nation regarding the continued suspension and the treatment of our elected member of County Assembly, Honorable Boss Mairura. We note with serious concern the recent suspension of Honorable Boss Mairura from the County Assembly for six months, a decision that has effectively denied the Masimba ward and the Nyaribari Masaba their full and uninterrupted representation. Since 2022, Honorable Boss Mairura has, according to the community concerned, faced sustained intimidation, denial of rights and privileges, and political interference in the execution of his mandate as our elected representative. This development have deeply alarmed the electorate. In 2023, he was previously suspended for 4 months, a matter which was challenged in court. The court later ruled that the process leading to that suspension was unlawful and illegal. We further note with grave concern allegations and widespread belief within the community that there has been political influence and interference by the office of the governor in matters affecting the MCA, which has contributed to the escalating tension and repeated disciplinary actions. Additionally, we wish to state that the MCA has reportedly been receiving threats and acts of intimidation, which have created fear and undermined his ability to effectively discharge his duties. As residents, we emphasize that these actions, whether administrative or political influence,
for immediate reinstatement of Honorable Boss Mairura to the County Assembly within the next 48 hours to ensure the people of Masimba ward are not deprived of their representation. Failure to comply with this demand will leave the residents of Nyaribari Masaba, particularly those from Masimba ward, with no option but to move to court and seek legal redress for denial of representation and violation of democratic rights.